Hi there, welcome and thank you for being here. If you are interested in delicious vegan recipes and delights, subscribe to my channel to be a part of the nutritious lifestyle family. In this video, I share with you a simple recipe for vegan chocolate fudge date cookies. Stay tuned. We'll start off these delicious chocolate fudge cookies by combining sugar and oil together and then add some milk here. Next, add all of the dry ingredients into a strainer and sift them into the wet ingredients, then incorporate these well together. Full recipe can be found in the description box below. Final ingredients for our fudge cookies are dates and oats. So chop up some dates, mix it in with some oats, and then we'll be adding this into our cookie batter, combining this well, and then we'll start to form our cookies and then get baking. Yeah. Using 1 tablespoon per cookie, this recipe made me 10 delicious chocolate fudge cookies. So we'll start by just scooping up a tablespoon of cookie and then putting it on our baking sheet, and then we'll be baking these for 15 minutes in our preheated oven. They're done and they're so delicious, so fudgy, crunchy, crumbly, and the dates work well because they add a depth of sweetness to the cookies. These go really well with a cup of coffee or chocolate tea in the mornings for breakfast. Nice to snack on. The children will love these. They're healthy, they're delicious, they're nutritious, so do give them a try and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and delights. And until next time, eat well, walk good.